Hi, my name is Cindy. Today I will talk about the case study, Giant Game. Here's some background about the case. Giant Game is a company offering 3 different marketing services to the customer: TV commercial, app, and Facebook page. It can be purchased separately, and if you purchase all items together, the total cost will be cheaper. And if the app is downloaded 500,000 times or more in the first month, there is a one-time bonus for payable to Giant Game. The question is, the CEO of Giant Game is trying to understand the new revenue recognition model and how Giant Games will account for the scenario under the new standard. According to FASB Accounting Standard Codification, Giant Game have prepared the 5 steps of recognition. Step 1. Identify the contract with a customer. A contract is an agreement between 2 or more parties that create enforceable rights and obligations. On November 13, Stone and Giant Game Company reached a verbal agreement with Stone. The agreement states that this product is for Stone companies and cannot be redirected to other customers if they pass the credit check to show that he has the ability and intention to pay Giant Game for fulfilling and finish their side of the deal. Also agree on Stone is required to pay even if the contract is cancelled, unless Giant Game is unable to perform as the contract states. Step 2. Identify the performance obligation in the contract. From the verbal agreement, Giant Game is hiring to create TV commercial, app, and Facebook page. Step 3. Determines the transaction price. Giant Game and Stone have a transaction price for $1.5 million for a TV commercial, app, and Facebook page. If the app is downloaded 500,000 times or more in the first month, Giant Game receives a bonus for $250,000. Step 4. Allocates the transaction price to the separate performance obligation. Giant Games offers Stone a discount for all 3 items for $1.5 million. A customer receives a discount for purchasing a bundle of goods or services. Is the sum of the standalone selling price for those promoted goods or services in the contract exceeds the promoted consideration in the contract. The proportional allocation of the discount in those circumstances is consequence of the entity allocating the transaction price to its performance obligation on the basis of the relative standalone selling price of the underlying standard goods or service. Here is the calculation for the transaction price. Step 5. Recognize revenue when each performance obligation is complete. In this case, the performance obligation is fulfilled over a period of time because the entity is contracting an asset with no alternative use, and is also entitled to payment for work done to date in case the contract is cancelled. Conclusion. Giant Game is able to account for revenue under the new revenue recognition model. All 5 steps of the model have been met and can be successfully applied. The agreement between Stone and Giant Game is a contract with separate performance obligation, because each item is different and can be shown separately. Giant Game shall recognize the distribution of revenue over time when each project is complete. After the completion of the contract, the entire $1.5 million will be confirmed. Thank you for watching.